Hi, good morning, teacher Diana. I am happy in the participation in the course de electiva. Development, the activity number 3. Create video and answer the question. What did you close? What is your closest friends? My close friend is Kaji Tati. She worked with me in the same company. She is good person. I love her very much. How did you meet? Um, I met Tati because we work in the same company in the collection area. We share the same offices and become good friends. How many friends do you have in social networks? Uh, I'm a social network and high fail friends. My list of friends, they are more family. I am very reserved with my information and personal photos. We were your friends when you were little. My friend when he was little were four girls named Diana, Lorena, and Adriana. Her for an excellent romance begins with fun and sharing wonderful moments. They continue to be friends and have shown that true friends don't exist. Do you have friends with her excellent lives? I am friend Ned, Lorena. She loved the travel and was on many countries, cultural, typical this in language. I am Thai Einstein, explain why. Anthony Destiny because she was on many countries, has lived with hotter cultures, and has taken food, beautiful foods. Thank you, teacher. It is much participation in the activity. Good night, teacher. Thank you very much.